Step number 6. One of the greatest ways to build wealth in crypto, we all know, is to get in very early. Those who started to get in crypto in 2011, 2012, or 2015, or even 2020 when Bitcoin was at $5,000, have made substantial profits. What if I told you that SwissBorg is making a very hard work to present the best alpha opportunities, which essentially is early launchpads opportunities to invest or discounted deals. And with this, we have a strong curation of a great investment team that really looks for the best projects that are within the ecosystem. Every week, we have different deals. These different deals are essentially either early or discounted deals. We have different vaults that enable you to participate in this. We just did, for example, the sale last week of Ether. This week, it's all about Victoria. It's a gaming. And what you see in these different vaults is that you understand what is the strategy. I mean, why this could be potentially an interesting project. You see a little bit of the fundamentals of this project. And last but not least, you see essentially how do you compare these to essentially other different type of tokens. And this is a really good way to be able to invest in these great opportunities. Of course, there's a lot of risk with these ones because they're early deals very often, or they're deals that essentially tokens that have performed very poorly in the last amount of time. And this is why we're able to hopefully get in at a good stage. How do you get into that? There's two ways. There's some public vaults with Borg and other different tokens that you could get in. And if you're very rapid by going in, you'll have the chance to get in, but the supply is very small and the demand is huge. And in order to really boost your chances, well, the best way to get to that is accumulate a lot of Borg. The better premium tier, the better chance you get to essentially invest into these opportunities. And the better your Borg ranking is high, the better chance you get even further, because you'll have the chance to get into more than different vaults. And that's why we believe that the Borg is really the token for financial freedom and bringing you financial independence too. So I hope that the alpha deals opportunities is something that you're very excited about it. If it happens that you get it, don't get into deals. Don't worry, there'll be other opportunities. Sometimes frustrating. So test your luck. And if not, well, you know what to do. Be a Borger, and pretty sure you'll get into different vaults.